The power of the edit tab. Teleprompter and edit tab. Speak like a pro on camera. Do you want to speak confidently on camera without forgetting your script? In this video, I will show you how to use the teleprompter feature in the Edits app, so you can read and speak naturally while recording your video. Let us begin. Open Teleprompter. First, open your Edit app. Now look for the Teleprompter option. Tap on it and you will see a screen where you can add your script. Step 2. Feed your script. Now type or paste your script here. For example, today I will show you how to create AI videos using mobiles. Keep your sentence short and simple. This helps you read smoothly while recording. Step 3. Adjust speed and text size. Now adjust the teleprompter settings. Speed. Setting scrolling speed according to your speaking pace. Text size. Increase font size so it is easy to read. Alignment. Keep text centered for better eye focus. Tip. Practice once before recording. Step 4. Start recording with mic. Now click on record. The camera will start and your script will scroll on screen. Speak clearly while reading. Use your mobile mic or earphone mic for better audio. Look nearly the camera lens so it feel like you are talking to your audience. Step 5. Record your video. Start speaking naturally, don't rush. If you make a mistake, pause and repeat the line. This will help you. This will help in editing later. Step 6. Export your video after recording. Tap on export and save. Choose video quality like 720 pixel or 1080 pixel. Your video will be saved in your gallery. Step 7. Add it to main video. Now you can import this clip into your main project in the Edit tab. Edit it and add music and prepare your final video. That is it. Now you can use the teleprompter to speak confidently and create professional videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe on understanding the Edits app operation.
First we have to download Edits apps from Play Store. So search edit, type edit video editor app. This is the video editor app. If now you can install from here. If you are not installed in your mobile, here I am already installed. Now I am going to open the Edits app. This is the one page. This is project page of the edits. Whatever the project we are preparing, that will stored here. This is the first page, home page. This is wipes or this is wipes or template, various type of inbuilt templates. This is the very impressive page. Prompter page is the very important. Here we are going to do how to recording our voice according to the prompt, video, etc. Before that I have to show HD. See, HD, 2K, 4K resolutions. 3 type of resolutions. Frame rate also 3 types. Color. Okay, this is the voice. This is the speed of the talking. 1x, 2x. Here it is kept 1x. This is teleprompt page. You have to paste your prompt or type your prompt here. Whatever you want to read. Now, next is This time adjustment, the video length of time adjustment. This is the music. If you want at the time of audio recording, if you want music, there is a music page available. Select music and this is the background changing. If you don't want, you want to avoid the background scene, put this background. Now I am going to paste my prompt. I select the page, and for the prompt I am copying from my ChatGPT. So this prompt I am going to copy. Again I will go to edit apps and paste there. Here, done. Now it is paste. Now you can adjust the teleprompter speed. If you want to increase this, I am keeping the lowest text size also, you can see. If you increase size you want, while reading which type is suitable, you select. Now I am going to start my recording voice. I have connected my microphone to the mobile. I'm going to start recording the video. See the flow. Do you want to speak confidently on camera without forgetting your script? In this video, I will show you how to use teleprompter feature in the Edit app so you can read and speak naturally while recording your video. Let us begin. So after I stop this video, this will come to here video. Check the video.
See the flow.
See.
Do you want to speak confidently on camera without forgetting your script? In this video, I will show you how to use teleprompter feature in the Edit app so you can read and speak naturally while recording your video. Let us begin.
One project, saved that project in this page. Now I am going to paste one prompt. For pasting prompt, I will go to my ChatGPT. There I can get lot of prompt. This I am going to one prompt I am going to change here. Select, copy. Again I will go to Edit app. There are add your script here. Prompt script. See the script was come here, done it. So I will start the recording. Now this is the prompt. Start. Camera will start and your script will scroll on screen. Speak clear while reading. Use your mobile
mic
or earphone for better audio. Look nearly camera lens so it feels look like you talking to the audience. After finishing this video, now the video has come here. Check the video.
Camera will start and your script will scroll on screen. Speak clear while reading. Use your mobile mic or earphone for better audio. Look nearly camera lens so it feels look like you talking to the audience.
I don't want this. I want to delete, not export. So I want delete this. You can delete from here. It is just touch it, delete option agi. So delete. Again, here you can
now
edit. If you want to remove something, add something.
Today I will
text you can add. Voice. If you want the music, you can put here also. Select music, and after all editing activities over, then you go for export. Once you export, see export is going on. Once export, you can download your mobile gallery. So finish downloading, and you can share this to Instagram, Facebook, message,